Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to simply read QR code of a Facebook account in your Facebook without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook account. After you open up your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to click on this searching icon. Then you have to simply type in QR code. Then click on search. Click on QR code right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on import from gallery. Then select the QR code, and in a few seconds you're going to scan it and it will present you with the information in the QR code. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.